Hi guys, I'm Ashu and today we would be discussing two of the on-prem encoders by AWS. One of them would be L026AE and the other one would be L812AE. Let's get started by unboxing one of them. So we'll unbox this device now. So this is the assembly bracket in case you'd like to add additional space in your server and a rack. So the box comes with an additional rack and the safety instructions. Cables for attachment and the front cover of the box. This is the USB recovery drive. The elemental link box. The complete assembly bracket. So this is the main elemental device, elemental L026AE. On this device, it has got a serial port, a VGA, iDark, again to manage Dell systems. It has got two Ethernet ports and two USBs. One SDI in and SDI out, as it can only handle one channel at a time, a power source unit. So this is our most selling AWS Elemental on-prem encoder, L812AE, and we'll be unboxing this now. It comes with the kit rail, various power connectors, and input and output for SDIs, USB for backup, and the cover of the main machine. Elemental guide and the product information. So this is the main machine, L812AE. It has got various ports to it, and we'll be describing those ports in a bit. This can stream out 8 channels at a time. So over here, you have got a serial port, a VGA port, iDark to manage Dell systems even when the systems are turned off, 2 USB ports and Ethernet ports. There are altogether 7 Ethernet ports with this. Also, as discussed earlier, it has got 8 channel inputs, so 8 SDI inputs and 2 power sources. As AppsCords, we are an advanced AWS consulting partner and authorized reseller for Elemental Link devices. So if you would like to know which device is right for your business and for your workload, do let us know. You can get our details listed in the description. Thank you.